Hey everyone, in today's video, adjust layer are better than contrast in Photoshop. I'm provide 3 different methods. So let's get started. In the first way, press on and you just open brightness and contrast. Increase contrast and decrease brightness. Okay, adjust depend on your image. This is one way, and the second step, press on to open curves. Easily adjust this. And the third way, open to leaves. Just increase this to adjust brightness. Just increase or decrease depend on your image quality. So that's it.